Hey, Wink is here. This video I'm gonna show you guys how to chain pump strainer over here. And I'm using my mini right angle adapter drill. You hook it up with a regular drill. I use a 12 volt drill and Allen wrench. This new thermal pry, they will not give you um, the room, so you will have no choice. You gotta use one of those mini. I got my drill hooked up into it, and you can see how easy it comes out. There's no room. Those new thermal pries, um, H H5, whatever they call it, or model, they ain't got no room. So you have to play with it. So get this thing out of here, right? Pull it out. Get the string out. Make sure you get. This is the way I do it. Make sure you gotta get the gasket out of there. And then if you got a rag, you wipe it down a little bit. Make sure there's nothing in there. Same thing with the other side. Wipe it down a little bit. Any dirt, something, just get them out of there. So now you're ready now to put the new one. Okay, gotta make sure, guys, that every time you change the strainer to take out the gasket, see a lot of places that people forget to take the old gasket out. Here you go. Put a new one. Get a nice level. Now get the strainer now. There's hardly any room to work over here with this thing. And there you go. Right there. Just get it started. Get it nice and level. Get it started there. This right angle adapter, drill adapter, pretty cool. Work perfect in an area like that, so tight. Can't even fit my hand over here. That's how tight it is. So now again, I get, you could pick one at Home Depot. This thing is nice. You know, you can see how, and I get a nice hole screwed in tight, and then nice and tight. This thing, I love this thing. Sweet. It work every time I use it, man. Give me a lot of out of trouble. Even sometimes this thing is real good when you do planning work. And I right now I'm using my regular Allen wrench. Squeeze a little, give it a little bit tight. Make sure they're nice and tight. Double checking. You know, just go around. Give a little sludge there. So yeah, sure there's no leak. There you go. I think look good, nice and tight. That's what you need. Sure, you know, over tight this thing because you could strip them. Then you ended up replacing the whole pump. Sometimes you strip the screw, that's it. It's aluminum, remember that? This stuff is aluminum. Yep, there you go. Well, the cover is aluminum, but the pump is steel. Sorry, I take that back. But still, you could strip the screw. I think the screw like is kind of weak. There you go. Yep. So that's how you do it, guys. Quick and simple. Make sure you got your oil off. Oil belts off, and you take the screen, boom, take it out, and pop the other one in, and you're done with that. Now you got to prime it. Make sure you know. Now this is the fire, called the Firematic wheel. You see how this thing is stripped, went all the way down. So this is a bad one over here. This was about to shut off. This was a night call waiting to happen. 2 o'clock in the morning, no heat. So guess what? I'm going to put a new one. This is the way it's supposed to be looking, like that. Right? So over here. I think this is a. They put a little solder there. Okay, so that's it.